Okay, looks like we are live. So, welcome back to this session. Uh, basically, we can say a quiz session, which we are doing every weekend now. And I'm waiting for everyone to join. So, YouTube will take some time for the joining. And I want to check how many of you joined through the link in the email. Just want to check if emails are working or not. And if you enjoy these type of live sessions, also hit that like button. So we are live on LinkedIn and on YouTube. On YouTube, let me know if I'm properly audible. LinkedIn, I'm checking. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, I'm moving in LinkedIn as well, so that's good. Come on, everyone, hit that like button. And it's important to check: do we have bots or do we have real people joining the session? The bot thing is working very fine nowadays. Uh, Okay, perfect. So today we are going to do a quiz on operating system, as we took the poll last time and we decided to go for operating system this time. And again, the winners will get prizes. Okay. So I'm just setting up the quiz. Just give me a minute, everyone. And by the time, we'll also have some time for the people to join. Hi, good evening, everyone. In fact, I should say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I would love to know from where you are watching this session. Not the device, but the location, your location. Okay, so people who joined this type of quiz for the first time, let me give you some intro about the quiz. So basically, we are doing this from I think last month. This is our seventh or eighth quiz, if I'm not wrong. And in each session, what we do is we decide a topic. So this time we are doing it on operating system, and there will be a quiz. Now, this is a kind of MCQ type of quiz where I will ask your question, and you have to choose the answer. The speed matters, of course. You have to select the correct answer, but also how fast you're doing, that's also important. So the correct answer and the speed, and the winner will get prizes. So the first prize is 5,000, second prize is 3,000, the third prize is 2,000. Okay, so people are joining from all over India, at least, because I think in other part of the world it's too early. It's too early for them. uh, okay, so from Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Noida, Bangalore, Vadodara, Bangalore, Visakhapatnam. Oh no, it's not Visakhapatnam. It's Visakhapatnam. Okay, not sure. Then Pune, Bangalore, Karnataka, Hyderabad, Gujarat, Pune. Great. Sri Lanka, Mysore, Odisha, West Bengal, Warangal. Okay, perfect. So looks good. It's time to share the link for the quiz. Now, I would recommend you. So basically, I'm not going to share a link. I'm going to show you a QR code using which you will join. But make sure that when you are joining, it will ask you for your name and the email address. So when you do that, enter your correct email address. Is because since we are giving away prizes, we want to make sure that the correct person is claiming. Okay, so do that. Okay, Nagaraj says fifth, at least 1,000. Think about coming in top three. It's easy, right? And it's not like we are giving the same topic every time. There might be a topic which you are good at, so you can do that. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen now, and let me just take this on another screen. So share screen. I just want to make sure that on the main screen there's nothing else apart from the quiz. And it's risky sometime to share. Cool. Okay, so now you can see the QR code. So take out some other phone. Don't use the same phone because we want to give you the instructions. So use the same phone and use a different phone and scan the QR code. Don't use the same phone. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, people are joining. That's good to know. Okay, Gana is back. I think you have joined before as well. Let me see how many names I can remember. Okay, Abhishek says I'm from Pune. We met at Baner once, if you remember. I think I remember. How do we evaluate? So this platform will evaluate itself. So when you give the answer, it will calculate your correct answer and also the speed. So the points which you will get is based on the amount of time you took to give the answer, and based on that, it will show the winner. I don't have to worry much. There are ads even for the live. Yeah, on YouTube you will see ads, but on the platform you don't have ads. So don't worry. If you're playing the quiz, there will not be ad in between on the platform. But that's a good uh, option, right? Where we can show ads in between. Maybe in the future we'll do that. Can you show the question here as well in the screen? Yes, you will see the question on YouTube as well, but make sure that you answer it in the app. Okay, people are joining from US as well. That's good. So I'm just curious to know who has joined from US at this time, because the dashboard which I have on my live dashboard, I can't see the name, but I can see on the LinkedIn. Okay, it's Naveen. Okay, let me share the link as well, in case if you're not able to join through the QR code. Okay, once we cross 300, I will start the quiz. Yeah, so it will simply say waiting for the host, because I have to change the question. So I will control the questions. Okay, so one thing to remember, you have to make sure that you choose the answer as fast as possible. That will give you points. So yeah, we have crossed 300. It's time to start. When you will be in Bangalore, I think I'll be coming next month in April for a conference. Okay. Now you don't need a code if you're scanning or if you're joining through a link. Okay, so everyone get ready. Since there's a delay, I will just say 5 and then I will start. So 5, 4, and it should be on your screen now. And here we go. So the first question, what is the main function of an operating system? Okay, I'm going to show the QR code as well if someone wants to join now. So anyone joined the stream just now, you can scan the QR code, you can join the quiz. Okay, so we got 4 options and let's see what you have answered. So majority went for managed system resources and that is correct. Of course, you can compile your programs, like of course you can design, create programs, but main purpose is this. Can we have the questions for later? Yes, this stream will be available on YouTube or LinkedIn. You can just watch it later. Okay, next question, everyone. So in total, we got 15 questions. So let's move to the next question. And here we go. Which of the following is an operating system? This should be easy. So Rohit is asking any new series coming for MCP in Spring AI. In fact, that was a plan because I have few videos on Spring AI and I wanted to continue that. But the problem is now we got Spring AI version 2. So I thought instead of continuing from the same series, I'm going to recreate this series and then I will come to the advanced part. So maybe in next 2 days, you will see more on it. Okay, let's see the answer. And majority voted for this, and that is correct. Few people went for Python. It's not an operating system. MS Word. Oh, okay. At least no one has voted for MS Paint. That's good. Okay, it's time to see the leaderboard in between, the middle leaderboard, and let's see who's doing well. So it's Abhishek, Yash, Manish, Ganpat, Darshani, Gana. I think you were there before as well, Chandra. Darshan, Kushal, Atharva, and Sangavi. Yeah. I think this is the only name I remember. Good job, top 10. I think there's a tie as well for third position, fourth position, seventh position. But again, once we go forward, there will not be much tie. All set for next question, everyone? Anyone just join the stream, and if you want to join this quiz, take out your phone and scan this QR code. Okay, next question, everyone, coming on your screen, and here we go. Which program loads the operating system into memory? Okay, time up. Let's see. This is a bit difficult than the first 2 questions, but still you're doing good. Majority voted for bootloader, and that is correct. Good work. Okay, can we put hold on winners for the next 3 quizzes so that, yeah, I mean, I know you're concerned, but if you really think about it, different topic, everyone cannot master all the topics, right? And in the top 3, we have seen no one was there from the last quiz. Is there extra points for timing? Yes. So the faster you answer, the more points you will get. Okay, question number 4, everyone coming on your screen. And here we go. Which condition is necessary for deadlock? Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. Okay, majority voted for all of the above, and that is correct. Great. So let's see the leaderboard. And here we go. There is change in the leaderboard. So we got Manish on top now. Then we got Pragyanshu, Sakshi, I think it's Rupesh, Atharva, Sainath. Next time I will give this instruction to keep your first name because we can't show the big names here. And okay, looks good. There's a tie, I think, for the 8th position. Cool. Next question coming on your screen, everyone. And here we go. The time between submission and completion of a process is called. Total questions we have is 15. And time up. Let's see what you voted for. Majority voted for turnaround time, and that is correct. There was some confusion with waiting time, response time, but turnaround time is the total time taken from when a process is submitted until it finishes. It's measured the full interval, including waiting and execution. Okay, cool. How can you post the answer? Okay, so basically what you do is you have to join this quiz. So take out your phone and scan this QR code. I would suggest use some other phone for the instructions. The QR is not working. Okay, let me share the link again in the chat. Okay, next question, everyone, coming on your screen. And here we go. Okay, this is taking a lot of space now. Which of the following memory allocation methods suffers from external fragmentation? Pawan, I've just shared the link. Is it not coming on LinkedIn? Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. The answer is segmentation. But yeah, question looks good, right? We have some difficulties there. Okay, so let's see the leaderboard. And again, leaderboard has been changed. So it's Pragyanshu who just stopped. Now then we got Manish, Sakshi, Sainath, Shiksha, Srinidhi, I think it's Hitesh, Maulik, Prasad, and Akulin. Is it that how your name is? So I have a request for my design team. I know we can't display the entire name, but if I hover, maybe we can do a pop-up where we can show the name. Okay, next question, everyone, coming on your screen. And here we go. The address generated by CPU is called. Okay, time up. Let's see the answer. Majority voted for logical address, and that is correct. Great. Okay, and this time you saw your ranking, right? I think last time when we were doing this, there was an issue with the ranking. Others were not able to see their rank when I've shown the leaderboard. Where can I learn operating system? Not sure about the videos because when I learned it through a book, and at this point I'm not able to recall. So it was a part of our syllabus when I was doing my bachelor's, master's. OS is a topic which was there almost every year, somewhere or the other way. There was a topic on operating system. There was a subject on Linux. Then we had a subject called distributed systems. So next question coming on your screen. Which memory is the fastest? I think this should be easy. Okay, time up. Let's say the correct answer. And okay, the correct answer is cache. But yeah, I know your confusion with RAM and SSD. Did you do any testing on Google Lenses? We wanted to check it out. In fact, I wanted to tell my team to check how much time it takes for the Google Lens. So the game is more about timing also, right? So if Google Lens, uh, I'm not sure how much time it takes for the Google Lens to give the answer. Anyone tried it? Okay, let's see the leaderboard. Any changes here? So we got so top three is not changing now. In fact, top four, five, it's fixed. But I can see new entries here. We got Bhuvan. Prasad was there earlier. Srinidhi, I think, is a new entry. Okay, looks good. Okay, I had yes, sir. I had used it really fast. Okay, now how do we control that? Dev team of Telesco, any solution for that? Can we stop AI uh, to scan our screen? Yeah, this is what we can do actually. At this point, every question got the same weightage. The only changes is based on the time. But yeah, this can be added. Okay, Gaurav from our team says we'll look into it. Okay, cool. Next question coming on your screen. And where should I keep this now? Yeah. Uh, it's a time sharing OS. Once a process finishes its assigned CPU time slice, it moves to which state? This should be easy. Let's see what you voted for. Majority voted for ready state, and that is correct. Great work. Are you enjoying the memes on your side? Yeah, the team is going crazy with the GIF. Yeah, they are. Okay, by disabling extension and disable window pop-up function to any extension, try to scan it. It may. Okay. Okay, perfect. Next question coming on your screen. What happens when CPU requests data that is not present in the main memory? Okay, time up. Let's see the answer. Okay, majority voted for page fault occurs. That is correct. Good job. Can we ask the user to keep their camera on? We can't do that on YouTube, right? Or maybe in the app, which AI will scan if they are cheating or not. Oh, okay, there's one feedback, remove GIF. But this is cool, right? Okay, time for the leaderboard, interim leaderboard here. Top three again not changing, top four not changing, top five not changing, but we have changes here. We got Srinidhi very close now, and then we got Prasad, Hitesh, Saran, and Vinay. Great. The top four again very close, even top five, but top four very strong competition. Okay, we got five more questions to go, everyone. Okay, maybe like Netflix or other sites, blackout. But I think Google Lens, does it take a screenshot? Yeah, that affects the screenshot. Yeah, we can try that. Okay, next question, everyone, coming on your screen. Which one of the following is real-time operating system? Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. Majority voted for all of the above, and that is correct. So all of the above is correct because each listed system gives guaranteed predictable response for time-sensitive tasks. And not exactly, but I think uh, in college time there was some setup where I think they had it. I don't know for what reason. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. The operating system keeps a small table containing information about all open files. Is called what? Does every week have quiz? I mean, we are trying to do that. There's one week where we missed, but we'll try to have it every week or every weekend to be specific. Okay, let's see the correct answer. And there was a confusion for this type of question, but the answer is open file table. So the operating system keeps a list of every file that is currently open, and this list is called open file table. Okay. Okay, let's see the leaderboard once again. And any changes in top three? I think there's one change. Someone was here, and now we can't see it. Maybe made a mistake. So we got Pragyanshu, Sakshi, Siksha, Maulik, Prasad, Ganeshwar, Sri Rajan, Saran, Vinay, and Bharat. Okay, top three very close. Maulik, you can still catch up for top three. Even you, Prasad. We got three more questions to go. The next quiz, we are planning to have it on JavaScript. Okay, next question coming on your screen, and here we go. The size of a virtual memory is based on which of the following? And time up. So let's see the answer. And the answer is the address bus. So the address bus carries the memory addresses the CPU can use, the number of address lines fixes how many unique addresses the system can generate. So it determines the maximum size of the virtual memory. Okay, next question, everyone. In fact, I want to see the leaderboard at this point, then we'll not see for the next two questions. No changes in top three. I think Chinmay just entered in top 10. Okay, doing a good job. Okay, we got two or maybe three with the same surname, is it? Pragyanshu, is it your surname Tiwari? Are you sitting together in the same room and answering this? That will be tricky. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Which of the following is a single user operating system? The hint is in the GIF. Okay, let's see the correct answer. It's MS-DOS. So MS-DOS is a single user operating system because it was built to let one person use the computer at a time. Okay, and the last question, everyone, coming on your screen. I hope you're all set. And here we go. Which disk scheduling algorithm moves like an elevator? How frequently have you used MS-DOS? I think I never. But again, we use terminals which are based on MS-DOS. Okay, let's see the answer. And the correct answer is CAN, but there are votes for FCFS, FIFO. Great. And now it's time to see the final leaderboard. Any guess who will win? The Tiwaris, because I think the top three surname is same, the last name is same. Let's see. And here we go. Let's see the winners. Oh, okay. So we got Pragyanshu as the winner. We got Sakshi, second one, and Maulik jumped to third position. We literally saw Maulik jumping from 10th to 8th, 8th to 5th, 5th to 3rd. Okay, and Gaurav has the answer for this. So the GIFs are intentionally included since this is a high competitive quiz. The more you focus on the question, the better you'll perform. Yeah. So we're testing your focus as well. Good job, Gaurav. Okay, now three Tiwaris. Yeah. Tiwari gang. Oh. I want to know where Sakshi went. So once again, good job, the winner. Good, I mean, congratulations, winners and top 10 winners. You will get your prize. So you will receive a mail from our team in next 3 to 4 days before Wednesday, and they will tell you the steps to get the prizes. Any winning speech? Next week we are going to have a quiz on JavaScript, and then we'll see later which one we need to include. It is my 4th Saturday quiz. I lost, so hope in future I will. Yeah, of course. Keep preparing. So, as I mentioned, right, next week it will be JavaScript. Prepare for JavaScript and come back. Your website has a flaw, sir. Please tell us. We will work on it. You can congratulate me for not, for once again not coming in top 3. I mean, try. You can try next time. Can you increase the number of questions? Maybe next time we'll try it for 20. Yeah, I mean, of course, people are going to use AI. My only concern is how much time it takes for AI to answer. This is my first attempt. I liked it. Yeah. How was the platform? Are you enjoying the platform? Sim says, no wonder I got 9.8 in operating system. What's your name? Are you in top 10? Rank between 10 to 15 by using Google Lens. Can't tell rank because maybe next time if I win, they may not give money. Okay. Gaurav says Google Lens, whatever we have experienced is challenging to do in top 3. Okay. To play this quiz, you just have to take out your phone and scan the QR code. So it will open up. It will open your browser and then you can play there. Oh, thank you so much. Live AI may answer within seconds. Okay, we'll test it out. Platform is very nice. My rank in the quiz is 54. So my thing is, if AI can answer this very quickly, then why don't we have the same winners every time? Because I think every week we got different winners. Are they changing their names? Possible. Are they changing their email ID? Possible. Um, but not sure. We will test it out. Yeah, that's right. No, this happens on the weekly basis. Every Saturday we do it. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed today's quiz. Next week we are going to do it on JavaScript. So be there. Time will be almost same, 6 p.m. So learning Spring Boot and Spring Boot from you. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. See you next week and keep learning. More videos are on the way. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe the channel. Hit that like button so that I will know you're enjoying this type of live quiz. See you next time. Bye bye.